We know you work hard to support your students, even when you can't see them face to face. No matter how or where you're teaching, Microsoft Teams has your back with new ways to improve reading fluency and save time in the classroom with reading progress. Engage students with easy-to-access collaboration tools. Check in directly with students and promote social-emotional learning using Reflect. Foster a positive classroom culture and recognize moments of growth with praise badges. Quickly share and record PowerPoint content so that students can view and learn at their own pace. Learning happens in so many ways and in so many places. Microsoft Teams helps connect the dots so you can focus on what matters most to you, empowering all of your students to achieve more together.